Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Master, the ZimTech guy. So in this video, if your partner has this app right here, then you guys need to talk. But before you do that, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you do eventually end up liking the video, please hit that thumbs up button. Now, how we're going to do it, I'm going to introduce you to the app, let you know how the app works, and yeah, that's it. Let's get into it. Alright, so first we need to go to the Play Store. Just click on the Play Store. And when you get to the Play Store, search for calculator vote right here. Alright, so different types. I want you to work with this one here that says calculator vote app hider. Click on it. So on the surface, this app, let's just install it. On the surface, this app just looks like a calculator.
Now, this app is getting quite popular in Zimbabwe, especially in Harare, where Sherit is working overtime. And I know I might get attacked for this, but anyway, this is how the app works.
So when the app finishes downloading, just click on open. Just click open. Right, if it's your first time working with this app, it's going to require a 6-digit number for you to work with. So let's just go 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. All right, your password is 000, confirm. I'll just click confirm. That's it. That's the app. On the surface, this just looks like your ordinary calculator. You can even calculate numbers. Let's say 2 times 3 equals 6. But what makes it unique now is if we put in that number that we placed, let's say 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is what happens. Wait for it, wait for it. Exactly. It brings up this app hider. This is where people hide apps. Let me just remove these ads. Sorry. Okay. So if it's your first time, it will tell you how to start hiding apps. You just click there. There's photos. You can even take photos. There's a camera. Another camera here. So for example, let's say we want to hide our WhatsApp. Just click here. Go to WhatsApp in our apps. Click on WhatsApp. And import hide here. Click it. Right, it's here. Now I can click on the WhatsApp. Let me just click on it. And tells me launch duo. I want to do that. Let me just click that. And I want to grant permission. Allow. To grant. Allow. There you go. So it's loading WhatsApp. There you go. So it is another instance of WhatsApp. I can actually agree and continue. And there it is. You can now set up your new WhatsApp. You can add your number and set up your WhatsApp. And this WhatsApp, what makes it unique is that it will be hidden from the public. Only you have access to this calculator app. So that's it. That's how you add apps to this. You can add any app you want to this calculator vote. So there you have it, guys. This is how this calculator app works. You can add any app to this interface. This interface will only be accessible to the person who has the password, which is why we're saying if your partner is using this, then you guys need to talk. You need to have some serious conversations about your relationship. So just for interest's sake, let's try to add in another app. Just click plus once again. Let's say I want to add this Brave browser here. Import it to do the same thing. All right, this is an advert, guys. Let me see. Close it later. You see, the Brave browser is already loading, which means I'll have another instance of the browser. It's more like having a second screen. But the only difference is that this one is hidden in a calculator. So as you can see, we've already added another app, the Brave browser app. So what this app basically does, I think it just creates an instance of the app in a different screen. What that means is that it's just a copy of the app. So you can have access to that copy whilst you just logged into the calculator app. That's it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button. Otherwise, see you in the next video.